is a resemblance of a junior pope in character, in everything. Is that consolidated? Is consolidated. The family of junior pope through the mother, Maria Udomodo. He is asking here to play the irreparable law. That death is a necessary end that we come when it will come. That everybody must go there. The only thing that they lose us as Nigeria is the time, the age, and the second coming of our movement from the physical age to the spiritual world. Kinarambo. Today, Commander. Jonathan, good Lord. Kinarambo. Jonathan, good